What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to give you a tour of my work from home setup, along desk tour and gaming setup when I live stream, and then I share a little bit about the office that I'm in. It's very small. I think you can hear the echo a little bit. These ceilings are roughly taller, and it's not much on the walls because it's a rental, so we try not to ding up the walls, so sound is here and there sometimes, but typically it's really good with the microphone from the camera or for the streaming setup. I do have one rug in here, but that pretty much works. I like the carpet because it's hardwood floors, but the carpet gives a more of a home feel. But let's get to the office tour. Alright, here's my desk. I have my headphones there, blue light filter glasses there, the lit sign, 2 lenses, a mouse which is Bluetooth, and then the keyboard that came with the PC. I'm trying to get a smaller keyboard, something that's more minimal and not so clunky, but this gets the job done so far. Of course, the monitor, 1080p, 144 hertz. Sometimes I adjust the settings and I don't know. The Logitech cam for live streams, the Zoom calls, all that. Here is the internet box connected to the PC with Ethernet cable. But when I get the PS5 in here, I'll put it, probably use the internet for the PS5. Now, I do share this office with Rachel. She does work from home some days, but also she has classwork to do for her program. And primarily, she keeps it very well organized between her desk and the organizer over here. But other than that, that little corner over there, that's all me. We configured the desk to primarily allow the sunlight to enter the room. And since I'm here for most of the time during the week, my desk is in front of the window. Yeah, I need that natural daylight. And let's see. Oh, let's talk about chairs. So this chair was given to us about a few months ago. It's more of like a typical gaming chair, a race car chair. But sometimes I just feel, I don't know, like the chair is too big for me. So that's why I prefer this chair right here. $20 from Walmart, and it gets the job done for me. Sometimes my back hurts if I'm sitting there for like many hours, but typically it's all good. And I will hope to get like a better chair sometime soon, but that's not a priority. Over here is a nice little printer cart. Our printer up there, along with some batteries, some boxes, some paper for Rachel's projects she used for the Cricut. Over here, she used the Explorer 2 to make stickers and all that jazz for planner videos and planners that she uses. She does all the craft stuff over here. She made one of our hot pads into a coaster for drinks anytime we have a snack in here or something. Then there's the iMac, her stationery set. Oh, the keyboard. This is the keyboard I would like to get if possible. Something a little bit smaller. And it's nice and compact. You can take it everywhere. It connects to the iPad, which is really cool too. And maybe, get mine in either a blue or a gray to match my aesthetic at my desk. Just got our new mouse because that one was really old and disconnecting, but it's all good. Alright, I'm going to talk about the lighting that we use to make our videos from time to time in this room, because the daylight is not that great most days. Even if I pull up the shades, well, of course, it's going to be a little bit of a difference, but not much of a difference. So we typically use either like a regular lamp or this lamp right here, which is I forgot what it's called. I think it's a newer light. I do have another one. I've never set up the other one because I never needed the other one, but me and Rachel have been talking about needing another light for videos in the office, so I need to assemble that one. Alright, there you have it. That's the desk setup and office tour for my setup from working at home. If you have any questions about how any of these processes work for either live streaming or gaming, leave a comment below. put a like in there. And I really don't know, because I just want to share knowledge, but I also feel like there's many people already put their knowledge out there, but I also feel like there's always someone that needs it to be broken down differently than how another video puts it. So I don't know, I'm just happy that I made a video, honestly. Alright, that's it for me. Have a good day. Peace.